comes from something real in life. Everything has a purpose, everything is designed to help people interact with each other in a different way. There is no place where dance doesn't pull from those things happening.
Dance was being used as a medium to communicate to the audience. It's not just one person talking. We talk and the audience understands. Personally, it is always been done, but it's okay to take your days off because your body needs rest, your mind needs rest. It's not like you need to keep dancing always or anything like that. But please use it as a medium to tell people what's happening to you and around you.
I think in this era of Zoom and with COVID, I don't think it's going to go away anytime soon. But it's given us a new perspective of how to communicate with each other, but also to appreciate this moment when we're actually physically present, feeling each other's energy, seeing each other smile, sweat, cry, whatever it is, like really be able to perform. So that I'm very, very proud of this community to this day.
You can cry, you can laugh, and have fun because dance is love and dance is communication.
What makes you come alive and do it?
And to me, please, please, please never shrink and make less of yourself.
I've always been able to express things through my movement.
You could use dance to help change the world, but I think that's kind of been like a constant endeavor. Like, not only do I need to dance because like that feels natural. This is my thing. Well, how can I use my thing to keep enacting change? And that answer, that's more difficult for me. But that's kind of also fueled this endeavor to keep going and to keep trying to figure out how we can use an art form to get people to think about stuff.
Walk in your power, right? Don't let anyone tell you that you're not as powerful as you know that you are. No matter how many times they say it, you go, okay, and you move forward, because they're going to say it.
It doesn't matter if you're big, skinny, tall, white, black. It's like food. It brings people together. It doesn't matter what ethnicity. That's why I love dance in the community, because of what it can bring and what it can consist of. This is hard work. You gotta be full force with it. It's hard work, y'all. However, the joy and the fun of it, it's so amazing. There's nothing else.
it all like it is.